All right, so in this video, I want to see if this mini excavator will have the force to tear down this rickety old porch that's been plaguing me for so long. I have already made this, which is essentially our idea is right here to make a concrete patio there, and then another walkway that leads to the generator shed where we keep all the EcoFlows and the gas generators. And then this leads to our garden area. So this thing is the FEY or FYE 18 by Infront, and it's only got 5 hours on it, so it's basically brand new. I've been using it, haven't installed a cooling fan yet, so I've been running it, turning it off, and I've been running it with that open just when I'm not near obstacles, just to kind of help the cooling, because this over here gets hot, and this little panel down here will boil you. So got to get a cooling fan installed on it because it's really hot. It's like 85 today. But this porch, it's very old. It's been here since we bought the house, and I've just been doing other stuff. And as you can see, it's very rickety, and we have kids. So we want to do the concrete patio. Basically, I just want to see if that excavator can just tear into this and rip it out without having to unscrew each individual board, yada yada. So let's get into it. I'm gonna give you guys a little POV. Now the thing with this one, it is very tight, because every time you try to get in, your leg hits everything, so you have to move these forward. And I'm a pretty big guy, and you have zero leg room. Like, you can't even use these pedals, because you can use them forward, but you can't. You have to do this to go backwards. But here is the POV. You got your sticks, which control your arm, your rotation. These control your forward, backward. And this thing that I had to take the ball off of, it controls your dozer blade. So up and down. All right. Keys way over here. Five hours. Okay. Choke. All right, and this is a gas-powered engine. This is not diesel, which I wanted. Okay, just a quick view on the controls. Oh wait, first you have an unlock button. You have to hit that. Leave this down to rotate the machine. Turn this on for the swing boom. Once you get used to it, it's very easy. This. Let's see what this does. This might be harder than I thought. Oops, didn't mean to do that, but okay, there's one. Whoa! And this one, I'm gonna move it inside. Here we we go. Boom! This is great. Wonder what happens if I do this. It lifts me up. All right, that was fun. Let's keep going. So here's where we're at so far. I'll help her here. guys, that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed me showing off this YFE 18 mini excavator, tearing down that rickety porch that was once here. Still have a little bit more digging and grading to do right here to get it low enough to where I can start the concrete project in the giant patio area that we're going to do. But this little guy, for $6,000, that's how much this was brand new. It's only got 7 hours on it. By the time you actually rent one and do all this work, I mean, you've already spent half that. And this is a good investment for anybody that's looking to improve their land and doesn't want to spend 50 grand on one of these, or doesn't need it for that matter. So I hope you enjoyed the video of us taking down this porch, just trying to have some fun with this video. And if you like this content, click here or over here. You can watch more of my videos. I've got some land development stuff. I've got shooting range stuff, prepping stuff, whatever you need. So check the channel out. I appreciate you watching. And as always, prepare for the kingdom, but be ready for this world. Stay prepared, stay connected, stay loving one another. I'm out.